Hello and welcome to Career Companion. In this video, I'll be giving you a quick overview of the layout editor and give you a couple tips and tricks to help you along the way. First, this is the pages column. It is a list of buttons which each correspond to one of our pages in our application. And when you click on one of them, then it takes you to that page. So you can access any of your pages with one click from here. Next, we have the data column, which contains controls for some of the page information and controls for editing the application, like adding header buttons or adding in different elements or editing the elements. And we'll talk more about that in some of the other videos. And finally, we have the preview column. This little edit mode checkbox allows you to turn on and off edit mode, as it says. And when edit mode is off, the application will act like the application normally would. But when it's on, when you click on buttons, nothing happens. It just lets you edit the information. When edit mode is on, you'll have to use the pages column in order to navigate to different pages. If you turn it off, then you can use the tabs at the bottom or any of the other navigation buttons on the page to get where you're going. And then the preview window itself is approximately the size of an iPhone 5S, which is one of the smallest screens you'd see nowadays for somebody using a smartphone. Now, it might not look like it's exactly the size, but there's some scaling going on that makes it look like that. That's what it looks like when I pulled it up on an iPhone 5. And then we have the save button, which you can click, or you can use Control S or Command S on a Mac to save. And down here at the bottom, we have just a little bit of information for you. It shows you where you can get to your application on the web, so you can send that link out to students or classmates or coworkers or whoever needs it, or you could take it and turn it into a QR code or a bit.ly or whatever you decide to use. And then you can just click right on the link to go to it if you need to. And that is the brief introduction to the layout editor. I hope this has given you enough information to get started editing applications, but if you want more specific help on some of the elements we're working with, then see the videos below and they should be able to get you started.